In this video, we're diving into how you can automate competitive intelligence gathering using Browse AI. If you're looking to stay ahead of the competition and streamline your data gathering process, this tool might just be what you need. Browse AI allows you to automate the process of tracking and extracting data from competitors' websites, social media platforms, and any other publicly available sources. Think of it as your personal web scraper that does all the heavy lifting without you having to write a single line of code. If you're wondering how this actually works, let's break it down. With Browse AI, you can create automated bots that mimic the actions of a human user browsing the web. These bots are capable of navigating websites, extracting the most relevant data, and then storing or processing it for you to use. Whether it's tracking price changes, new product launches, or updates in your competitors' offerings, Browse AI makes it simple and fast. Now, you might be asking how much time you'll save with this. Imagine spending hours manually monitoring competitor sites, extracting data, analyzing trends. Browse AI takes that workload off your plate in minutes. This means more time for strategy and less time spent gathering basic intelligence. The key to Browse AI's power is its simplicity. You don't need to have coding skills or even technical knowledge. You can set up automated tasks quickly through their simple visual interface. Plus, it integrates with a variety of formats for data extraction, such as CSV, JSON, or direct integration with Google Sheets. So whether you're a digital marketing professional, a product manager, or an entrepreneur, you can seamlessly integrate the data into your workflow. One of the best features that separates Browse AI from other tools is its precision. Unlike generic scraping tools that can miss important details or fail when websites change, Browse AI uses AI-driven models that can adapt to website changes and still pull the right data every time. It's like having a custom-built scraper that evolves with your competitors' sites. But that's not all. Browse AI also comes with an amazing feature for monitoring pricing trends. If you're in e-commerce or any industry where pricing is competitive, you'll appreciate how easy it is to track fluctuations and adjust your own pricing strategy accordingly. This kind of insight could be a game changer, especially when you're trying to stay competitive in a fast-paced market. And here's something that makes this even better. If you're new to Browse AI, you can get started completely free through the link below. We've partnered with Browse AI to give you exclusive access to a free trial that goes beyond what others typically offer. You'll be able to set up and run your first automated intelligence gathering projects without spending a dime. As you continue exploring this tool, you'll notice it also offers templates for a variety of use cases, including monitoring social media, analyzing customer reviews, and even tracking content changes. This makes it an incredibly versatile option for anyone who needs data quickly and reliably. To sum it up, Browse AI isn't just about scraping data, it's about automating your competitive intelligence gathering to save you time, improve accuracy, and give you valuable insights to stay ahead. Whether you're tracking your competitors' pricing, content, or product releases, this tool ensures that you're always in the loop. Don't forget, you can try Browse AI for free with our exclusive extended trial, so make sure you click the link below to get started. This could be the competitive edge you've been looking for.